it becomes difficult for you to fetch the attention and get adequate number of reads to your articles that you publish online. Hi, my name is Biswarupa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the beginning of your writing journey, when hardly anybody knows you or no one knows you and they don't even care what you write inside, in such situation it becomes difficult for you to move ahead because you would be already putting so much of time, effort to make it, to give it of some value. But at the end, when you get to see that hardly anybody comes and read your article, or you do not get the reaction or response or any reads, then it becomes disheartening for you. So what should you do? How to go about it? Should we stop it just because you didn't get uh, any reads or so? Okay, let me take an example. uh, you can increase your writing quality by following these 5 tricks. And the second example goes like this. uh, you can increase your writing quality by using this writing exercise by Stephen King. So you can see the difference between both the statements, and that is, in the second statement it has been mentioned the name of the established person in the field of writing, that is Stephen King. So when we take the name of an established person in the respective field in your area that you are going to write about, then it instantly clicks to the readers. It builds the credibility slowly as you move ahead, and it becomes easier for you uh, to get the attention, and gradually when you will continue doing it, it will build a you'll start seeing the response to your reads also. So the trick here is, in the beginning, when nobody knows you or nobody cares about what you write about, then at least for some time or for some of the articles you start using the names of the established people so that you will get a good number of reads. And alternatively you can use it, or even if you are okay with using it for articles, then you have to come up with you have to go and in search of the books or the writers or whatever in your field with respect to that, and what is their trick or what did they do in that for that particular field to come up with or to enhance the quality or the whatever service they were providing, and how you can put it in your writing so that, and you can talk about it, you can narrate the story of that person, of that established person, so that you can talk about the same, and you can also mention it in your headline to get the attention. And so also, when if your narration also goes along with that, then you will get the reads also. So that was the trick, that you can take the example, take the name of the already established person in your field. That will help you to build the credibility, to get the reads, and you will not get disheartened at the end of the day. So get started with that and see what more you can come up with and how you can serve even more to your readers. So that was about it for today's video. We will see in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, see you.